Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I finally received my welcome package from crypto.com. It took about 6 months to get this welcome package, but I did an unboxing yesterday. If you want to look at it and see what was inside the box, look in the description below, or I'll just leave a little tag there at the end of this video. But what I'm doing, I seen this video the other day, and I wanted to share with my subscribers. This is very deep, very interesting, and I've been saying this for a long time now. But now the millennials may understand my generation, which is Generation X, why we stayed at a job for 25, 30, 40 years, why we were scared to take chances, scared of failures, and all this other stuff. Because my daughter always tell me, Dad, you need to go to different jobs, take chances. And we're trying to break the generational curse and teach our children and grandchildren how to invest and how to do other things, how to work for themselves. But check this out and you tell me what you think. Here's the video I'm talking about.
The school system, they don't want us to learn about money because they just want to pump out good employees that do what they're told. I mean, if you look at school, it's opposite of what it takes to be successful in real life. Don't make a mistake. Do as you're told. Take tests by yourself. Don't cooperate. Do it by yourself. Do it on your own. And the last thing was, oh, there's only one right answer. No, there's tons of answers to a problem. So you come out of school scared to death of making a mistake. You do everything on your own. You don't cooperate. There's no synergy. There's no brainstorming. And there's only one right answer. Everybody wants to get the right answer. There's no one right answer. So I think people come out of school paralyzed. I think the school system is criminal in that it kills a child's spirit of learning. You know, a child goes into school all excited about, yeah, I'm going to learn and it's going to be great. And then the teacher says, sit down and shut up. Don't talk. We don't care what you're interested in.
Wow. This is so true. And this is where we have to break this generational curses. I'm trying to teach my kids and they're going to teach their kids. And this is so true. Yeah, we stay at jobs for 25, 30 years and just get to the end, getting ready to retire. And they lay you off so you don't get the benefits. I've seen it happen. It happened to me and it happened to a lot of my friends. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.